The business chosen to be researched was York Structures Limited, with focus on their drawing office. York Structures Limited was founded in 1972 by Robert T. York. Dr. York stated that York Structures is the premier structural steel fabrication company in the Caribbean. Today, York Structures does not only fabricate and erect steel structures, but also operates as a full contractor from foundation to finishing when it comes to buildings. Dr. York and York Structures Limited, YSL, is the first local manufacturer of steel. Over the past 4 decades, the company has earned a reputation for high standards in its design, fabrication, and erection of structural steelwork for buildings, airports, and petrochemical plants across the region.
This reputation stems directly from its personal philosophy: strive to meet the needs of others with honesty, reliability, dependability, and hard work. YSL's corporate strategy. Their mission is to provide their clients with professional services in the field of construction to ensure quality products are delivered in a timely fashion while surpassing stakeholders' expectations and ensuring that production cost is minimized. Their vision is to be the premier structural engineering firm in the Caribbean. YSL's objectives include on-time delivery of high-quality products to customers for customer satisfaction, resulting in repeat customers and referrals to other parties. They attempt to achieve this with their competitive strategy, which is to produce quality products along with advice on structural issues so that customers can get the most economical solution when designing in their buildings.
The current information system in York Structures Limited is Tekla, which is a computer modeling software that produces fabrication and erection drawings from the engineering drawings. These drawings are the basis for all fabrication and erection. They produce individual drawings which together can make, manufacture, and produce individual structural steel members, which, when put together, form the frame of the structure or building that the engineering drawing identifies.
Another information system used by YSL is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software program used to create blueprints for buildings, bridges, and computer chips, among other things. AutoCAD is used by the drafters and designers in the drawing office in order to produce drawings of individual fabrication members with the specific dimensions, being length, width, height, materials, and so forth, before production is being made. It was observed, however, that individual pieces of drawings take much longer to design, as drafters cannot make an error since there are no error checking systems in place in the AutoCAD system. Similarly, in an interview conducted, it was found out that there is a licensing issue with respect to the AutoCAD system. This issue arises as they do not use the AutoCAD system often, and as such, do not see the need to pay for the system in a timely manner.
After an observation and interview, it was found that there was something called piece marks which were not changed when modifying the models without a proper record of what or which pieces were changed. It was also observed that the system does not track from the generation of the drawing to the completion of the drawing. After further observation and questioning, it was observed that the model must be completed before the fabrication drawing can be issued. Otherwise, it can lead to misfabrications of the drawings. So, to what extent does the corporate strategy and information system plan align in YSL? Well, firstly, the system produces the drawings and allows for gross fabrication of similar products to increase efficiency when producing fabrication material, which aligns with their desire to provide clients with timely delivery of products. The system further produces reports that addresses a variety of information that is useful for procurement of materials. By doing so, YSL is able to cut down on cost of production by being able to buy in bulk. The system also enables YSL to identify potential problems in fabrication and erection before the first drawing is produced. This enables them to advise clients of unsuitable or undesirable juxtapositioning of materials. This aligns with their mission to provide quality and professional services to their clients.
With respect to the AutoCAD system, the AutoCAD system produces the individual drawings of members for fabrication to present to customers to assure that it is exactly what they are looking for. This aligns with their desire to provide clients with quality service. The system also presents the type of materials used in each drawing, so that both the drafter and customer can see exactly how the materials would be set out, which would also aid in the procurement of materials. This allows YSL to determine exactly what materials it is that they need at the client's request to assure quality service and minimize the cost of production.
After careful analysis and review, 3 projects were suggested for YSL. These projects are: 1. A system that would track manufacturing from issue of the drawings to delivery, such as FabTrawl. This is ranked highest as the tracking of production would help identify points of congestion or areas for improvement in the actual production process. It would also provide information that could result in a more accurate measurement of the cost of production. 2. Introduce a system that tracks the changes in piece mark numbers which came about due to revisions of models by Tekla. By doing so, a better quality product would be provided and ensured that manufacturing costs are kept within bounds, since there should or would be no extraneous materials at the end of the process. It is ranked second as historically YSL has not had any major losses for this issue. The third and final project would be to introduce a report system that tracks the number of services or jobs that have been executed for specific customers. This will tie into the objective of returning customers based on the amount of purchases made by that specific customer. This was ranked last as of the 3 projects. While it is a useful system, it is not critical to the company's success factor at this current point in time. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day.